is I don't know how to share yung ilisan. There, para at least ng view. Let's share this first. Let's share this to news feed. Okay. So let's share this one. News feed. So may buntag sa tanan, natakaroon diri sa bukid sa Toledo. So let me share. First, so the problem here is I don't know how to share this. Okay, so natakaroon diri sa bukid sa Toledo. Ito nakitaan. So quick, short, and ano na siya. Live stream. First live stream. So muna ito makitaan. So nag-reflect na ang kahayag kay sunrise naman. So tuyok lang muna ako sa view. So muna siya na ibungtod sa Toledo. And quite sunrise na. Kita niyo reflection. There. Ano siya? Ang view. I think nakatulog pa mga FIFO. So there. Okay. So muna siya Negros. Ang Tanyon Street. Uy, 20%. So, quick and short LS na siya. So, global power. There. Global power. And there you go. So, good morning, folks. Good morning, YT World, and Happy New Year, everyone. It's 2021, and I'm very happy because we have new hope, new beginning. For the past 2 days, I was not feeling very well dahil sa sinus ko. So, ganyan na lang kasi hindi maganda yung against the light. So, ganyan na lang. Let's see, yan. Nakita niyo yung Negros. Okay. So, yesterday I was literally just sleeping like good morning at saka hapon kasi nga dahil namamaga yung sinusitis ko. I have sinusitis, so it's swollen all over. So medyo maga siya. So last night hindi ko nasalubog yung New Year's Eve. At natulog lang ako. And nagising ako 4 AM na. So I wasn't able to celebrate New Year's Eve. Kasi dahil sa sinusitis ko. So, ngayon medyo okay na. So, I hope it's going to be much better. And I just hope that it's going to be a wonderful year for all of us. Everyone. Okay, so there you go. Yan ang Toledo City. There. Ganda ng reflection. I think tulog pa yung mga tao. There. There you go. That's Toledo City. View from the top. There. Okay. So once again guys, Happy New Year to everyone. This is just a very short LS. Kasi nga 20% na lang yung battery ko. So Happy New Year guys. Love you.